The web address is www.livestream.com/sgic. Once again, I would like to repeat www.livestream.com/sgic.
से होल्ड करना, ठीक है? होल्ड करना। स्टॉप।
Participant schools, the concerned teachers and other dignitaries who are here, you can inform in your school for the live telecast which is available on our website. If you want to see this particular event, they can have an access.
I'm proud to announce he is my ex-student only, Mr. Nikhil Kumar. I need a round of applause from everybody because it's only a one-day effort and it's a big achievement for the institution, because I think in the history of web it's the first time when an event will be telecasted live directly. That people you can inform in your schools so that they can access the channel. I'll repeat the link once again. It's www.livestream.com/sjic, and it's also available on Facebook. If you open the address, the homepage of Facebook, the link will be there. The channel St. Joseph Live is there. St. Joseph Live is there. That through that link, yeah. Just I'm handing over mic to Nikhil. He will better explain.
Good afternoon, everybody. On Facebook, it will be available by the URL apps.facebook.com/St. Joseph Live. Okay? Apps, Facebook.com/St. Joseph Live. Thank you.
Thank you, Nikhil. Thank you so much. And he is the ex-student of St. Joseph only, the batch of 2006. Thank you, Nikhil. Now, I'm
It's a humble request to all of you to keep your mobiles in silent mode. On behalf of St. Joseph Family Lucknow, I welcome you all to the Frank Anthony Memorial All India Inter-School Debate Championship 2010 Category 2 for Juniors. It's a matter of great pride and satisfaction that today we have with us an efficient, genius and versatile gathering of students from various parts of the country. Before we actually start today's program, let me brief you up the history behind this event. Sir Frank Anthony was born on 25th September 1908 in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. His father's name was Mr. R.G. Anthony. Sir Frank Anthony was President-in-Chief of All India Anglo Association. He was a famous politician and a reputed Anglo-Indian social activist. Not only that, he was the first delegation of independent India to the United Nations. He wrote the book Britain Betrayal in India, the story of Anglo-Indian community. He passed away in the year 1993. And every year in his memory only, a council organizes this event to sharpen the skill of the students. I am profoundly indebted to all the eminent dignitaries present here. So further, let's have an introduction of a panel of judges for today's event. With a special gift for learning, with a heart that deeply cares, she means a lot for help to change the world. Through every life she touches, she sparks the creativity in the students and helps them to strive for goals. She is so special that no words she is valued for the work she does so well. She is none other than Sister Gemma, Principal, Stella Maris School. Our next juror for today is, what more should I say? A known face in a strange crowd, a ray of hope in thick cloud, a man of scientific approach who gathers new data, makes important observations, experiments with new concepts and ideas, and is constantly exploring the world. He is Mr. Vijay Chopra, the copy editor, Times of India newspaper, the leading newspaper. Sir, we are very proud for our association with your group and look for the same in near future. The next juror for today is, what more should I say? Rich in love, sincerity and compassion. She owns a wealth of knowledge, wisdom, experience and insight that is priceless. She is none other than Mrs. Prabhati Viswas from St. M.R. Japuria School. And last but not the least is Honorable Chairperson, a courageous, dutiful man. Let's learn sense of duty to spread unity and peace all over. He has contributed a lot to build a solid foundation and added another floor of wisdom and knowledge. We are highly grateful to Colonel S.M. Hussain, Director, Unity Degree College, for his valuable presence for today's event. It's time to introduce our participants. Today we have with us from Summer Valley School, Dehradun, Garima Pawar and Vijay Lakshmi. Kindly give a huge round of applause for the participant. From Lord Government Intermediate College, Lucknow, we have Farzana Rizvi and Aishwarya Mathur. City Montessori School, LTA, is represented by Niravi Sharma and Pooja Vora. St. Joseph Academy, Adi Dogal and Bhuvanya Vijay. From Swaraj India Public School, we have Andra Mudgal and Guntas Gujral. From Masuri Dehradun Windberg Allen School, Anisha Bhava and Harmony Singh. Shrey Bhavuna and Karishma Agarwal from Frank Anthony Public School, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Jashandeep Singh Maan and Gunjot Valia from St. Stephen's School, Sector 45B, Chandigarh. Arjun and Rahul Singh. Finally, from City Montessori Inter College, Station Road Branch, Lucknow. It's my profound duty to owe gratitude to all the principals and teachers escorting the participants. And once again, on behalf of St. Joseph family, I welcome you all for today's event. May I have the pleasure now to request our judges to inaugurate today's program.